Hello, welcome to VDI for a behind-the-scenes tour of what it takes to be one of the best custom fixture manufacturers in the country. Headquartered in Syracuse, New York, VDI is a high-capacity, full-service fixture design and manufacturing company that's been designing, manufacturing, and installing custom store fixtures and displays for some of the most successful retailers in the world since 1992. VDI's production model offers multiple manufacturing options, whether through overseas manufacturing, domestic production in our 600,000 square foot headquarters, or a blend of both. Our versatility utilizes every resource to meet our clients' needs. VDI's designers and engineers are skilled in the latest technology, using high-end programs to produce creative designs that meet the requirements of a rapidly changing retail world. Our project managers become an extension of your internal team, monitoring the manufacturing process every step of the way. As material experts, we manufacture using a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, acrylic, laminate, glass, fiberglass, sustainable green materials, and more. VDI's millwork is famous for its handcrafted quality and attention to detail. Every VDI craftsman is an expert in his field. Our metal shop uses the latest technology and provides quality that surpasses industry standards. Our full spectrum of manufacturing capabilities include powder coating, laser cutting, water jet, welding, sanding, finishing, painting, laminating, lighting, and signage. VDI's prototype division allows clients to view the product before manufacturing. Throughout the production, VDI's project managers, designers, and engineers maintain their hands-on approach, guaranteeing a quality finished product. Cleaned and inspected fixtures are expertly packaged for transit in our staging facility, ready to ship from one of our 28 loading docks. VDI offers state-of-the-art warehousing and storage for shipments with staggered allocations or future store openings. Upon delivery, our experienced field personnel expertly install millwork and fixtures, making your vision a reality. Pop displays, custom signage, storage, warehousing, shipping, and installations. VDI's vertically integrated manufacturing model produces exceptional results from inspiration to installation.